What's on your travel bucket list? If you're like most people, the more you travel, the more places you add to your bucket list. Do Gear is the list of the world's top 50 bucket list destinations. We stopped in our tracks and started checking off the boxes. We surveyed our 1.5 million strong social audience in order to determine the best bucket list places around the world. Bucket list travel was a trend that popped up again and again in previous surveys. The results of the world's top 50 bucket list destinations include some of the most beautiful places on Earth. Countries with naturally beautiful scenery and world-famous landmarks came out on top. 22% of the destinations on the list have white sandy beaches, while 52% are iconic cities. Most people have an average bucket list of just 11 places, with the hope of visiting 7 of those locations during their lifetime. No matter how many places are on your bucket list, this ranking will get you dreaming of places near and far. In this video, we will show you some of the top cities of the top 50 bucket list destinations in the world, and why you should visit these places. 1. Bali, Indonesia. You'll find beaches, volcanoes, Komodo dragons, and jungles sheltering elephants, orangutans, and tigers. Basically, it's paradise. It's likely you've seen an image of Bali on social media at least once in the past 7 days, as it's such a popular bucket list destination for 2019. 2. New Orleans. The lively city known for its street music, festive vibe, and a melting pot of French, African, and American cultures is well worth the trip. NOLA is a city packed with adventures at every turn and should be on everyone's must-visit list. 3. Kerryireland. All the way west in Ireland is one of the country's most scenic counties. Kerry's mountains, lakes, and coasts are postcard perfect. And that's before you add in Krugernationalpark. The unique small towns such as Dingle add to its charm. 4. Marrakech, Morocco. This ancient walled city is home to mosques, palaces, and lush gardens. It's known as the Red City thanks to the color of the brick walls surrounding the city. The Medina is a UNESCO World Heritage Center. 5. Sydney. Sydney is known around the world as one of the greatest and most iconic cities on the planet. Amazing things to do aren't hard to find. The city has gorgeous beaches, great cafes, and world-class entertainment on offer wherever you look. 6. The Maldives. This tropical nation in the Indian Ocean is made up of more than 1,000 coral islands. It's home to some of the world's most luxurious hotel resorts, with white sandy beaches, underwater villas and restaurants, and bright blue waters. 7. Paris, France. One of the most iconic cities in the world, Paris tops many people's bucket lists. You'll see so many famous landmarks here. The Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Notre Dame Cathedral. The list is never ending. 8. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a dream location to visit. Endless natural beauty and clifftop views, pastel pink neighborhoods, and turquoise waters. 9. Dubai, UAE. The high-flying city of the UAE, Dubai is one of the most glamorous destinations you'll ever visit, and is particularly popular with Big 7 travel readers. 10. Borabora, French Polynesia. Borabora is Tahiti's most famous island. How do overwater bungalows and underwater adventures sound to you? To us, it's everything we could want from a bucket list destination. 11. New York. New York is one of America's most exciting states, with charming upstate scenery, world-class cuisine and culture, and more things to do than you could fit in one lifetime. The city's 5 boroughs all have special features. It's almost impossible to narrow it down. 12. Dubrovnik, Croatia. As George Bernard Shaw once said, those who seek paradise on earth should come to Dubrovnik, with its winding streets, cliffside beach bars, and UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Old Town. It's no wonder Dubrovnik is such a popular spot. 13. Edinburgh, Scotland. With the historic Edinburgh Castle looming over the city, culturemen spades, and wonderfully friendly locals, this is one of the world's greatest city breaks. 14. Rome, Italy. Whether it's your first time in Rome or your 50th, the best thing about this city is that you'll always discover something new each time you stroll the scenic streets. 15. Parow Valley, Bhutan. Parow Valley is known for its monasteries, fortresses, or dzongs, and dramatic landscapes. Tucked between China and India, Bhutan is a mysterious country that prides itself on sustainable tourism. You'll find Parow Taksang here, a Himalayan Buddhist sacred site. 16. Jaipur, India. Jaipur is known as the Pink City for its pale terracotta buildings. This was originally done to impress the visiting Prince Albert during his 1876 tour of India by order of the Maharaja, Sawai Ram Singh. Even today, it's illegal to paint buildings any other color. 17. Waikato, New Zealand. Waikato, a region in New Zealand's North Island, is home to massive underground caves, lush rainforest, and the buzzy city of Hamilton. But the area's main attraction, a Middle-earth adventure on the film set of Lord of the Rings, Hobbit movie set, still has the original Hobbit holes from the making of the films. 18. Havana, Cuba. Cuba's capital is almost 500 years old and a riot of color. Brightly painted buildings and vintage cars make Havana a photogenic dream. 19. Tokyo, Japan. Visiting Tokyo is like visiting the future. Flashing neon lights, incredible technology, yet there's still a rich sense of culture and history. 20. Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent. Antarctica is a once-in-a-lifetime destination. Nowhere else can compare with the extreme remoteness of this snowy place. It's not an easy trip to make, but you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the white wilderness, icy sea kayaking and whale sightings. 21. Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is surrounded by water, yet close to the mountains, and has world-class art, restaurants, and heaps of other attractions to keep you entertained. 22. Los Angeles. In a city with year-round sunshine, glam bars, beaches, and hikes, there are endless incredible experiences to enjoy in Los Angeles. It's no wonder there are almost 5 million la hashtags on Insta. 23. Krugernationalpark, South Africa. The Kruger National Park is a vast space in northeastern South Africa that is home to a huge array of wildlife. The park has safari experiences of all kinds, allowing you the opportunity to escape busy city living and get back to nature. 24. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is actually a group of islands. Thera, Therasi, Aspernissi, Palia, and Nikomani. Beaches with volcanic black or red sand and clear blue waters make this an ideal holiday spot, with its famous Santorini sunsets. It's no wonder that it's one of the most popular bucket list destinations. 25. Moscow, Russia. Russia's cosmopolitan capital, Moscow is a beautiful destination to visit in any season. Colorful domes and bell chimes ring out from over 600 churches in the city, and the sense of history is immense. Culture lovers will be impressed with the museums and ballet. 26. Singapore. Singapore is a small island city-state off southern Malaysia, which punches way above its weight on a global level. It's a modern city with colorful buildings, futuristic bridges, and a cloud forest. 27. London, England. Pretty pink restaurants, futuristic space-age toilets, and jungle skyline views are just some of our favorite things about London. And of course, all the classics. Big Ben, red phone boxes, and world-class museums and galleries. 28. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro has always been one of the most iconic cities in the world, with instantly recognizable landscapes and landmarks. 29. Petra, Jordan. The ancient Nabatean city of Petra in southern Jordan is surrounded by beautiful red rocks and steep gorges. The World Wonder is without a doubt Jordan's most valuable treasure and greatest tourist attraction. 30. Hong Kong, famous for its skylines and vibrant food scene. What most people don't know is that 70% of Hong Kong is mountains and lush parks. Colorful playgrounds and sci-fi apartment blocks give HK an enviable edge. These were the top 30 cities to visit in the world's top 50 bucket list countries. I hope so you enjoyed the video and will be ready to fly to any of your desired cities. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.